Oh yeah.
Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. It was a rather challenging and interesting video to make, but we really enjoyed making it. And it's our submission to the Life in a Day video competition currently running. So if that sounds interesting to you, we'll link it below and you can check it out and find out a bit more. And other news, we reached 200 subscribers in the past week and we are so excited about it. So to celebrate, we're running a giveaway on our Instagram and Facebook pages, so be sure to go check that out and enter. We'll link it below as well.
So we just want to thank you guys so much for all the support that you've shown us, in particular over the past 3 weeks. These are really the videos, rather the stories, that we really enjoy making, and we're so glad that you guys enjoy them also. So by the time you guys will be watching this, we would have already arrived at our next adventure. We'll be staying with a pretty unique family and we are so excited to tell you all about him. But for now, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys back again next week Friday.
Yeah. Okay. Baby! Stop it! What you doing? I've got her real riled up now. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Ow, ow, ow. She's nipping me. Woo!
Shh, 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 baby. Shh, 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 baby. Shh, shh, shh. Hey, baby. There we go. Okay. Oh, wait, he's coming back for more. Hey, baby. Come on.
Is she bothering you now?
Okay.
Okay.
Count it.
3, 2.
Ah.
Lie down.
Baby bumps.
Lie down.
Baby bumps.
Baby, lie down. Lie down.
Oh no.
Jordy, lie down. Lie down. Good boy. Good boy.
So what's you okay there? You're just lying like on the mat, you know?
Oh no. There's another dog out of
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.